Hello everyone, this is Raj. You are watching the Civil Network YouTube channel. Our SSC JEE previous year question series is going on, and this is the part 1 of 23 September 2019 paper evening shift. I hope you all are excited. Let's start with our first question. Question number 1. The process of taking out stones from natural rocks is known as. Options are A. Dressing, B. Cladding, C. Weathering, D. Quarrying. So the correct answer is option number D. Quarrying. Question number 2. The diameter of the sieve used for finding liquid limit is. Options are A. 425 micron, B. 375 microns, C. 125 microns, D. 250 microns. Correct answer is option number A. 425 microns. Question number 3. Basic value of span to effective depth ratio for span up to 10 meter for cantilever is. Options are A. 20, B. 7, C. 12, D. 5. So the correct answer is option number B. 7. Question number 4. Which of the following dams is classified based on structural design? Options are A. Gravity dam, B. Diversion dam, C. Storage dam, D. Detention dam. So the correct answer is option number A. Gravity dam. Question number 5. For most economical section using Chazy's formula, depth of flow for maximum discharge through circular channel of diameter D is. Options are A. 0.3 D, B. 0.5 D, C. 0.95 D, D. D. So the correct answer is option number C. 0.95 D. Question number 6. The coefficient of discharge for Venturi meter ranges from. Options are A. 0.50 to 0.55, B. 0.61 to 0.65, C. 0.61 to 0.69, D. 0.95 to 0.99. So the correct answer is option number D. 0.95 to 0.99. Question number 7. The process of maintaining the moisture and temperature conditions of concrete so that concrete develops hardened properties over time is called as. Options are A. Softening, B. Curing, C. Hardening, D. Setting. So the correct answer is option number B. Curing. Question number 8. The errors due to the Earth's curvature and refraction is to be corrected by using. Options are A. Cc equals to 0.0136 d square, B. Cc equals to 0.0673 d square, C. Cc equals to 0.0785 d square, D. Cc equals to 0.0112 d square. So the correct answer is option number B. Cc equals to 0.0673 d square. Question number 9. The scrap value of building may be about what percentage of the total cost of construction? Options are A. 1%, B. 5%, C. 7%, D. 10%. So the correct answer is option number D. 10%. Question number 10. The minimum furrow grade to assure surface drainage is. Options are A. 0.09%, B. 0.02%, C. 0.07%, D. 0.05%. So the correct answer is option number D. 0.05%. Question number 11. A procedure of actual costing and valuation and item of work on the basis of labors and materials required is. Options are A. Day work, B. Provisional sum, C. Lump sum amount, D. Prime cost. So the correct answer is option number A. Day work. Question number 12. Free settling of particles in sedimentation process is also called. Options are A. Compression settling, B. Discrete settling, C. Hindered settling, D. Zone settling. So the correct answer is option number B. Discrete settling. Question number 13. The lacings are subjected to resist or transverse shear of. Options are A. 2.8% of axial force in the member, B. 2.75% of axial force in the member, C. 2.5% of axial force in the member, D. 2.25% of axial force in the member. So the correct answer is option number C. 2.5% of axial force in the member. Question number 14. In a geodetic survey, the surface of the earth is considered as. Options are A. Vertical, B. Inclined, C. Horizontal, D. Curved. So the correct answer is option number D. Curved. Question number 15. A fluid which has shear stress in proportional to the rate of shear strain is called as. Options are A. Real fluid, B. Ideal fluid, C. Ideal plastic fluid, D. Non-plastic fluid. So the correct answer is option number A. Real fluid. Question number 16. The least count of a prismatic compass is. Options are A. 15 second, B. 20 second, C. 30 second, D. 60 second. So the correct answer is option number C. 30 second. Question number 17. The longitudinal moment of a rail is known as. Options are A. Wear of rail, B. Hogging rail, C. Crushed rail, D. Creep of rail. So the correct answer is option number D. Creep of rail. Question number 18. The slope of the bending moment diagram gives. Options are A. Tensile force, B. Shear force, C. Compression force, D. Couple. So the correct answer is option number B. Shear force. Question number 19. A overflow dam is also known as. Options are A. Rockfill dam, B. Spillway, C. Reservoir, D. Gravity dam. So the correct answer is option number B. Spillway. Question number 20. The dimension for the spatial shape of clay bricks are given in. Options are A. IS 4361 1966, B. IS 1464 1969, C. IS 6165 1971, D. IS 3951 1975. So the correct answer is option number C. IS 6165 1971. So thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day.